on a 100. Hello guys, welcome to Get Reviews channel. Today I am going to give you review on LeadMints platform. LeadMints is a best or unique Twitter automation platform. You can grow organically on a 145 million active daily untapped buyer list with just a simple push of a button, using the most simplistic but powerful Twitter-focused social tool. Now I play the video that clearly understand the need or benefits of this LeadMints tool. Only I request you to please watch the video till the end. Let's jump to the video.
Hey, unless you've been living under a rock, you probably noticed that the times are changing. And looking at the current digital marketing landscape, things are getting cluttered. It's becoming really difficult for customers to understand what products and services they want. Everyone nowadays is selling something, pitching something, but the real problem is that you are just as good as your last sale. So how do you separate from being a one-time seller to building a huge army of loyal customers on social media? Well, I figured this out posting on a super underrated social media platform for about 6 months, and it's not TikTok. Even though we are seeing some engagement there as well, but this platform is super underrated. But before we reveal this laser targeted and highly engaging platform, I have to tell you what I'm doing that kickstarted a digital sales storm, and I just followed what smart marketers and major Fortune 500 brands are secretly using to get loyal customers. The crazy thing is they are using little to no ad spend. And what I found out is that I have to treat my social media accounts like my email list. I need engagement on a human level by reaching my audience with what I call emotional triggers. Triggers that boost their morale and give them a little push every day just to keep going. And to be honest, what I'm actually doing is just telling people what I'm telling myself every day. Stuff like keep going and don't give up. Once I started to improve this method, I started to see conversions. And that's when I created LeadMints. LeadMints was created for our digital marketing family, and it's a simple cloud-based platform allowing you to just easily copy and paste these emotional triggers and quotes to your favorite social media platform, blogs, or websites. But the one platform that I found out that's ultra lucrative, and I can't believe more people are not using it or even talking about it in our digital space, it's called Twitter. Yes, Twitter. Despite what people are thinking, Twitter continues to maintain its status as an ultra popular social media platform. Twitter, to my amazement, has over 336 million active users, and 32% of Americans with a college degree are using Twitter. And unless you are a newbie, you will understand that you will not make sales on a kiddie platform. You have to be where working adults congregate, and that's Twitter. As of 2020, 41% of U.S. Twitter users reported income of above $75,000. It's a secret gold mine. Twitter is super hot right now, and you can use Twitter for products and services, engagement for small businesses, or for just branding. So what we've done with LeadMints is we streamlined the entire marketing process. All you have to do is just log in and get started. Listen, there are literally thousands of people that need your product or services. But if you don't introduce yourself, they will never know who you are. And LeadMints is the perfect introduction. This method engages and emotionally attracts people to you. So you can slowly present an offer, a product, just like a cool mint. Now for a limited time, LeadMints is at a simple one-time price. So hurry. Let's get started. The other members and myself are waiting for you inside the members area. So click the buy button below and let's create some cool LeadMints. See you in the members area.
Okay, I hope you understand the need of this platform. And if you want to pick it up, then must visit the site link provided in the description box below with its 3 exclusive bonuses. You probably didn't know 79% of Twitter users love to discover what's new with news, brands and products, making Twitter the top platform for discovery. Twitter creates awesome marketing leverage. Most brands on Twitter send out a median of 0.86 tweets per day, for which they see a median engagement of 0.048%. With LeadMints you can easily increase the engagement. Twitter saw a 9% year-on-year increase in revenue for Q3 of 2019 with $824 million. Twitter domestic, US, revenue experienced a higher than usual growth of 24%, while its international income grew by 12%. Let's clear the question, why dominate Twitter in 2021? Number 1 reason is to allow your business and brand to begin getting access to a totally untapped marketing giant that is actually not a difficult platform to use when growing your brand. Unlike Facebook, you have advertising freedom with Twitter to some degree without the headaches of having your account shut down for no reason most times with Facebook. Twitter's total revenue in Q2 2020 reached $683 million. Twitter's advertising revenue in Q2 2020 totaled $562 million, a decrease of 22% year-over-year. Twitter's cost per engagement, CPE, decreased by 25% in Q2 2020. The main problem with Twitter marketing, or it happens with other social media platform also, is they take time to grow your account. So the benefits of LeadMints are clear and totally needed right now. Because all we have only 24 hours in a day. We are working from home or going to work. Exercising in the morning or afternoon. Food shopping, raising kids or going to school, or hitting up other social media sites also. LeadMints tool will help you too by giving auto-schedule tweets. You can schedule your business tweets. It also gives you pre-made content, ask questions file, Twitter club, auto quiz, and pre-made images. It creates an easy-to-use, simple and fun way to organically grow your Twitter account. And I honestly says it is the best Twitter automation tool. If you want to grow your business through Twitter or struggling to grow your Twitter account, then must use this tool. And the best thing is it have a 14-day money-back guarantee. So for getting more details about LeadMints tool, then must visit the site link provided in the description box below, and you will get LeadMints with its 3 exclusive bonuses. So, that's it for this video, and I hope this is informative video for you. And if you want a full review on LeadMints tool, then must like and subscribe to this channel. And if you want to grow your leads by 350% using snowball technique, then must watch the video splashing on the screen right now. Thanks for watching. Stay happy, stay healthy.